Hello everybody, here I am with my EDC knife and a fish, but the fish we'll use it later. This is a follow-up video of my EDC knife that I made of a electrical knife that you can see on my other videos. So I tried to sharpen it, but I don't have a grinding belt. So I did what I could with stones and an angle grinder, but it's not the ideal way to sharpen. Let's see how it goes with a sheet of paper. Well, it cuts fairly well. There's the size, it has the size of a cellular phone, and I made a sheet for the knife with a plastic pipe, electrical pipe, and you can fit it there and take it out for carrying in a koala maybe. You can try to carry it on your pocket, but maybe it's not the most comfortable thing, but you can try. So here it is. It was with this pipe and a heat gun. I heated the pipe to, and then make the sheet of the knife. So now for the last part of the video, we're going to stab with the knife, and that's where the fish comes in. Let's imagine, let me put my protection here for the, let's imagine that's a shark, a little shark that bit you, grabbed you, and you were swimming, and the little shark came and grabbed you. So you had your knife with you, and well, it went through. Ciao.